Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is GE brand ventilation system dryer machine. This machine having problem while customer using white clothes are getting dark color. There's been some black spots are coming with the fabric. This is the complaint. Now I'm going to remove this machine. I will show you how to disassemble and how to fix this machine, because I have to service full service this machine. Now we will go to the next step. This machine, first of all, we have to remove this back screws, the control panel. Behind the panel having screws, we have to remove. This screw coming like. Now we can remove. After that, now we can take it up. We can list up here. Select a switch, that's mean panel. We can take it up. It is having lock here like that. You can see here lock. This one, no need to disconnect wire harness from the timer and all. Now what we can do, now we have to remove here downside having two screws. Here we have to remove these two screws. After removing these two screws, we can take it up, top cover. It's very easy. Now we can take it up, top cover here, like that. We can take it out. Now you can see here it is a belt, also here drum bearing kit. This is the drum bearing kit. Now we have to remove these two screws are here. After that we can take with the door and front cover. We have to remove the two screws only. Now I already remove. Now we can take it up. Now we can take it out. Door with the front panel. Now you can see here. This is the drum bearing kit. It is drum bearing. It is almost gone actually, but nothing to worry. Now what we can do? We have to remove here two connections downside. This is door connection. I will show you here. This door switch connection we have to remove. This door switch connection. After that we can take it out. Now we release already. Now we can take it out. Now you can see here it is so many links are here. This links, while motor rotating time, it will go through the air circulation. With the air circulation go to the heater area and it will burn and blow into the drum. At the same time only the fabrics are getting black spots coming. This is the complaint actually. Now we will remove drum in a drum. I will show you how to remove that one. Now you can see inside we built adjustable pulley. That one we have to release. After that only we can take it out drum. Now I will remove that one. Now you can see here this we built adjustable pulley we have to remove. Now I'm going to remove that one. Now we have to pull this one. After that only we can remove. Now I already remove. Now you can see here it is already came out. Now we can take it out. Drum assemble. Now I can take it out. Drum. Now see it is already came. Here you can see here is so many dirty actually. It's all the lint it's coming. That's why it's making black spot. Here all the lints while running time is getting heat and it's coming like a black spot. That's why that is the complaint. Now we have to clean properly. Now here you can see so many lints are here. See everything we have to clean properly. After that our problem will get solved. Here the heater, while heater running time, working time, all the lints are burning, mixing with the fabric. This is the complaint. Now we will remove all the things. We will service machine. After that we can reinstall, refix. Fix. I already clean drum and everywhere. I remove all the dirt. Now I have to fix. Now this is the way we are going to fix. Now we have to fix like that. It's a little bit difficult, but we have to fix anyway. Now I have already fixed. You can see here. It should be like that. Now I can fix front panel. After that, we can complete our job. Now I'm going to refix front panel with the door. Now what I did here, bearing kit already gone. Because of that, I replaced that bearing, two bearing, also drum bearing. Because that one already gone. Because of that, I already replaced. Now it's okay. Now I have to refix here only the locks. Before that, we have to fix the door lock switch connectors. We have to fix. Now already we fix. Now we can fix here three locks downside. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix. That's mean we have to take it out, take it up drum. I have to tight two screws, two sides. Now we have to fix top cover. After that we can fix panel. Now here these two grooves, we have to fix this two lock. After that this will come, we can keep and like that. After that we have to push a little bit forward. Now it's okay. Now we fix already front cover also, top cover. Now I have to fix panel. Here the lock it will come here lock with the panel. Now this lock we have to fix properly. That's it. Now we can fix all the screws, and after that our job will be complete. Also, before fixing we have to check one cycle, because we have to check the belt and everything. Because of that we will check one cycle. Now I already given power connection. Now I'm selecting here. I already select let's try here, load medium wrinkle care on. This one fabric cotton I already selected. Now I will start the machine. Now what I'm going to do, I will push, keep it up, keep it push door, open door. Now I already push button here, door switch. Now I will start the machine here. The machine is working. Here belt, pulley, everything okay. No any problem. Machine is running well. No any abnormal noise also. Now my all job already completed. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks again.